Hello there YouTube, this is the Aqua Student, and I'm finally back up at my house. I started my last semester of college ever, hopefully, assuming I don't mess up. We had our, just finished the first week, and classes have been going great. I am excited to say that I think I'm going to pass them all this year. I don't know, advanced calculus is going to be difficult, but I'm pretty confident, and that's a good thing because I need to pass these last few in order to get my degree. Anyway, I wanted to show off how awesome my 55-gallon African cichlid tank looks. Not that one, this one. This one. This is the new 55-gallon African cichlid tank. I built this background in aquascape out of foam and concrete, or foam and cement. And it looks great. I've had a couple of issues over the past couple weeks getting it started. Some flaking here and there. You can see there's a couple spots that are actually hidden from the view right now. But this was the big reveal I was talking about. Right now I have a couple of the guys lower on the totem pole checking out the tank, making sure it's okay, and helping them get a little more settled. That way they can pick out their spots, kind of get a little more accustomed to the tank before I move everyone in, hopefully tomorrow. It was awesome when I first put them in here. They immediately went to exploring the tank. I've got a little cave there that they were going in and out of. There's a cave under there. It just worked out amazingly. The whole thought process behind this was I wanted an easier way to move my tanks. And I know moving to and from school, it's really a pain with those big sandstone blocks, and this will just work so much easier. It also hides all the equipment, which will look a lot better, and it was a fun project to do. The way this is designed, it has one heater, the main heater, running horizontally through this main rockwork behind, and the filter intake will actually be right there behind it's behind this outcropping going up to the top. It's not in there now because I've got the Fluval 306 still on the old tank, but I got tubing to run it there, and it's gonna look great. And best part, you're not even gonna see it. Also up at the top here, in that little opening right there, I'll point to it with an arrow, is where the high door 425 air pumps, or wave pump or power head, whatever you want to call it, is going to go for the surface agitation. And there's a little plastic canvas piece put in there that I can remove to prevent fish from going back in and getting themselves stuck. So that's a good thing. You can see that white piece right there. That's one of the spots that flaked off. So I'm going to figure out something at least temporary as a fix. For substrate in here, I actually went with pool filter sand. I was finally able to track down some, and already I can tell I'm going to like this a lot better than the old play sand. The play sand is so messy, and I mean, just feeling this stuff, I can tell that it's going to be a lot easier to work with and a lot cleaner in the end. On this right side is where the filter outflow is going to be, as well as the second heater. Down here at the base, there's a slight opening for the filter to open up, or for the water to go out. And up here at the top, there's a little outcropping, so that way if it does back up for any reason, it'll still have a place to get out and not overflow the tank and end up with 55 gallons on the floor, or however much it would end up pumping out. So this was the big surprise. I am very happy to finally have some fish in there and get it wet. I had a lot of pH problems with the cement leaching lime, but I believe that's behind us now. I've sealed it with a polymer or plastic acrylic. No, that might not be the right word. No, acrylic sealer, a copolymer seal. So that should hold it in and make it last quite a bit longer. I'm hoping it'll work great. So far it's been working well. I've had it wet all today, and been testing the pH, and so far I haven't had the spike like I was before, so I'm excited to get this going. I'll update you guys once I get the fish all in here, so check back for that. Thanks.